Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the CarsCorp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the new Rivian's next-gen EVs in a grand unveiling at an iconic theater in Laguna Beach. Rivian, the groundbreaking electric vehicle manufacturer, it showcased its highly anticipated R2 and R3 models to an eager audience. The event marked a significant milestone for the company, promising a more affordable entry point to its premium electric offerings and expanding its global reach. The R2, based on a newly developed mid-size platform, presents a compelling alternative to the popular Tesla Model Y. While slightly shorter and narrower than its competitor, the R2 boasts a taller stance and a distinctive horizontal roofline, giving it an imposing presence on the road. Priced starting at approximately $45,000, the R2 undercuts the Model E's starting price of $36,450 in the US. Deliveries are slated to commence in the first half of 2026, giving Rivian fans ample time to anticipate this exciting addition to the lineup. But the R2 was not the only surprise in store. Rivian CEO RJ Scaron stole the show with the unexpected unveiling of the R3, a smaller hatchback-style SUV. The R3's compact dimensions and European-inspired design hinted at Rivian's ambitions to conquer the European market. The R2, based on a newly developed mid-size platform, presents a compelling alternative to the popular Tesla Model Y. While slightly shorter and narrower than its competitor, the R2 boasts a taller stance and a distinctive horizontal roofline, giving it an imposing presence on the road. The unveiling of the R2 and R3 signals an expansion of Rivian's product portfolio, catering to a broader range of customers. The company's commitment to sustainable transportation and innovative design is evident in these new models, which promise to redefine the electric vehicle landscape. As deliveries of the R2 commence in 2026, Rivian is poised to make a significant impact on the global automotive industry. With its growing lineup, ambitious global aspirations, and unwavering dedication to customer experience, Rivian is poised to continue its remarkable journey as a leader in the electric revolution. The R2, Rivian's entry-level pickup truck, will be the company's primary focus in the near term. The Georgia factory build pause aims to streamline operations and save $2.25 billion in capital spending. This will allow Rivian to allocate resources toward R2 production, which is expected to begin sooner than initially planned. The R2 will be offered in 3 variants: single, dual, and tri-motor. While power and torque outputs are yet to be confirmed, Rivian claims a 0 to 60 mph time of under 3.0 seconds for the tri-motor version. To reduce costs, the R2 will forgo the advanced suspension and air damping system found in the R1S, but promises improved on-road handling. The R2 will feature a new battery pack with increased energy density. The pack will serve as a structural element integrating with the vehicle's floor pin. Rivian claims a range of over 300 miles for all R2 versions. Additionally, the R2 will be equipped with an upgraded perception stack that combines multiple cameras, radars, and computing power. This system will provide enhanced autonomous driving capabilities. Details of the R3, Rivian's compact electric pickup truck, are still limited. Based on the same platform as the R2, the R3 will be priced more affordably at around $35,000 to $40,000. A high-performance R3X variant is planned, offering 0 to 60 mph times of well under 3.0 seconds. The Georgia factory construction pause is a strategic move by Rivian to improve production efficiency and reduce costs. The company remains committed to building the facility in the future, with a potential capacity of 400,000 vehicles per year. Rivian's focus on the R2 and R3 aligns with the growing demand for affordable and capable electric vehicles. The company's continued innovation and investment in technology will be crucial to its long-term success in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.